The Vedas are books on material as well as spiritual knowledge. Because their language is very ancient and not well known, differences have been found among learned persons regarding their interpretation, but there is absolutely no doubt that high level spiritual principles, learning, arts, and practical knowledge are contained in them. Since all this knowledge has been given very concisely in the form of sutras or axioms in one or two stanzas, all the readers are not able to understand their aims immediately. But on the basis of the richas or stanzas, the learned ones have been providing inspiration and guidance for thousands of years to the spiritual seekers who want to progress on the path of excellence. The speciality of Vedas is that their knowledge is not limited to any particular race, section, or subsection with differences of opinions, but all persons in the world have the same right to it. Because the Vedas are universal in their approach and message. Hence, they can prove useful at any time to the cultured and spiritually minded men and women in any country. The aims and guidance obtained from the Vedas prove beneficial and uplifting to every human being. The differences in interpretation of the Vedas is not a present day phenomenon only. It used to happen in ancient times also. Nevertheless, even ancient Indian learned men have made different interpretations of the Vedas. Religious minded good men have interpreted the Vedas from a spiritual viewpoint, and others have made distorted interpretations to suit their own ends according to the hideous principles of Vam Marg, which is something akin to the witchcraft. In this way, such pseudo religious people have caused great harm to the Vedas and have always tried to lower their status and usefulness. It is but natural that when 3 to 4 explanations are given for the same stanza, and one expert expresses a completely opposite opinion to another's, doubts and lack of faith will raise their heads in people's minds. But now the time is ripe to find a solution to these perverse and mutually opposing interpretation spread during the dark medieval period. Modern scholars have revealed the original aim of the Vedas by analyzing the Vedic mantras and have represented a very clear and easily understandable form the core knowledge, advice, and the principles of truth enshrined in them, so that even an ordinary reader or listener can understand the benefit from them. The series contains the essence of selected richas or stanzas with explanations from an impartial view and with proper aims. By understanding them properly and putting them into conduct, the readers will be convinced that the Vedas are in reality mines of gem-like thoughts. By such conduct, man becomes free from faults and wickedness and starts living a life of high-level thinking. There is no doubt that every man can make his life successful by benefiting from the immensely valuable advice on the subjects of truth, non-violence, forgiveness, pity, generosity, helping others, good dealings, organization, and cooperative life.